High availability. Yes, high availability will provide redundancy to node failures, but there will be a short failover time. Failover time means it may take around some 4 to 5
Yeah.
minutes of time to switch over from one node to another node during a sudden failure.
Yeah.
So in banking sectors, like especially they don't want a single second of downtime on this node. Okay, because if they are completely using this nodes for monitoring purpose, at that point of time, the continuous availability option will be used. Okay, now you need to decide whether I'm going to use the continuous availability option or the configure availability option. High availability option. Okay, so now in this scenario, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a high availability option on this stuff, because uh, excluding this financial sectors, most of the clients will go for high availability option. Especially this financial sectors, they will go for continuous availability because they need
Continue.
this
Financial.
VRUps to be available for entire 365 days of time period. Okay, now let's do one thing. We'll deploy one more appliance. Okay, I'm going here, going to do it on the first node now. So deploy OVF template, then select the same file which we used for the deployment. Open, click next, and then okay, so data center ASXI01. So this is going to be the replica of the first node. Okay. Okay. So one more difference between this high availability and continuous availability is in high availability, all nodes are active at the same time. Okay. But here in high availability, one node will be active, another node will be on the passive state. Okay. So previously we selected small, right? I'm going to select small for this appliance also. And vSAN data store, click next. Okay. So what is the VM name we given? I didn't give the VM name here, right? Oh, let me give the VM name so that will create some confusion.
VM name is.
So what is that? VROps Aria Ops -R01. So this is for replica. So Aria Ops -R01. So this is the VM name. Then click next, next. Then click next, next. Small data store, then port group. I need to select the same port group which I used for my Aria operations, first primary node. And click next. Time zone is Asia, Kolkata, right? Asia, Kolkata. Then domain name is Aria ops -r01.smstechdesk.com. Okay, so next is SMSTechDesk.com. Domain name servers 192.168. IP address, right? .1.100 DNS server.
.92. 92.
Okay.
This one.
100. So this one 92,
100.
correct. 192.168.1.90. Sorry, 92. Default gateway 192.168.1.2. Then subnet mask 255.255.255.0. That's it. Next. So finally revive everything. Okay. Aria ops -R01 smstechdesk.com. Name is correct. IP DNS, IP address, gateway, subnet mask, everything is perfect. Okay, click finish. Now it's going to deploy the second VM. Yes, it started creating that aria ops hyphen R01.
So meanwhile, I want to ask one. Floppy drive, for removing floppy drive, what should we do, like, for compliance one?
Where you want to remove floppy drive? Where you want to remove the floppy drive?
From VM level, VM on VM.
Okay, so using any tools or you want to remove the floppy drive directly?
Normally one VM I want to test. I want to test. If you remove that, it will be clear. Means,
Alert you want to clear or you want to remove the floppy drive itself?
drive itself. Drive itself I want to remove.
Okay, so you can right click the VM edit settings. You can go to the virtual hardware and then find floppy drive 1 or the floppy drive name. Okay, and then click remove. Let's see whether any floppy drives are there
No,
here.
I already seen one.
Then what is out here?
See, I will. No, actually, I will. Can you share my screen? I'll tell it.
Wait. We'll discuss this. No, not right now.
Okay.
It's recording in progress. Okay.
Ah,
This recording will be used for other
okay.
classes also. Okay, right. I'll tell you when you want to share my screen. I'll stop the recording and then I can share. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, edit setting. So,
Here, floppy drive is not there. Other hardware.
yes, not there. That's what. So I removed this one. SATA ACI, no? ACI I
You
removed.
removed,
CD
huh?
DVD I
Did
removed.
they give the approval?
These, no,
Okay.
one machine I was testing for one machine. So for one machine, I removed that two alerts were showing like offline.
Okay.
It's not active, under not active.
Mm.
But this floppy drive and one more is boot secure is showing. Boot secure
Okay,
is
we'll
not
check
enabled.
for which hard. I'm not sure which hardware version is having this floppy drive. So, okay, so let's check once this is completed.
Yeah,
Okay, let's complete this. After that, we'll check that. Okay.
yeah. Correct. Was complete. Yeah, correct.
Because if floppy drive is there, sometimes the compliance check will fail. Okay, so that is one of the problem.
Hmm.
So I built all these VMs on the latest one. That might be the reason floppy is not here. Okay. So 8.x running with recently created VMs. Okay. So we are just left with 1 more minute on this session. We'll disconnect and then we'll reconnect. Okay.
Wow.